Hey everyone, today's video is for the pi method adjustment method that I use sometimes. Just to cover it, in case you're not aware, 3.14 is one of the numbers that I use, and then 159 is something I add into addition to that. I only do that because 159 is the number that is right after 314 in pi. I'm not going to go out of order on these states, so I do apologize for those people who are kind of in the middle, but I am going in order, so I will not be going out of order. The next state after this one will be Colorado, and then I don't have a lot of free time after this video post, so that video will probably be posted on Sunday. Okay, so as far as Connecticut goes, one thing too I wanted to point out is just because Connecticut or one of the other states, they like the adjustments of like -3 or -1 or +1 like Connecticut, it does not mean necessarily that your state is going to like the same adjustments. So keep that in mind when if you do test this stuff on your own. All right, so for Connecticut, you seem to like Saturdays, and then it seems like your adjustment, they like -3, -1, and +1. And at the very end here, there is actually a lot more numbers than I expected, just for those three methods or adjustment. So keep that in mind. I also have not checked their site today, so if these numbers at the end here, if they have hit today, just to disregard them. And then so as far as and then also one thing, I do like to go back at least a month to test this stuff out. So the first Saturday, August 5th, you guys had 659. If you add in 314, that's going to give you 9 plus 4, which is 13. You're going to keep the 3. You have 5 plus 1, which is 6, and then 6 plus 3, which is 9. The next number is 659 minus 314. You had 345 from that, and you got that from 9 minus 4, which is 5. 5 minus 1, which is 4, and then 6 minus 3, which is 3. So 3, 4, 5. Those two numbers, they did not hit in the next 7 days. You also had 963 from up here. You're going to add in 159, so 9 plus 3, which is 12. You're going to keep the 2. 6 plus 5, which is 11, and then you're going to keep the 1, and then 9 plus 1, which is 10, so keep the 0. On that next digit, and then also that 0, 1, 2, it did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to have 963 minus 159, so that's 3 minus 9, which is, or 13 minus 9, which is 4, 6 minus 5, which is 1, 9 minus 1, which is 8, and then you're going to subtract off 3, and then that's going to give you 514, and then that number hit straight on August 7th. And then you're going to take 345, which you got from right here. You're going to add in 159, so 9 plus 5, which is 14. Keep the 4. 4 plus 5, which is 9, and then 3 plus 1, which is 4. So 494, that number did not hit. And then you have 345 minus 159, so 15 minus 9, which is 6. 14 minus 5, which is 9, and then 3 minus 1, which is 2. And then 296 was a box hit on August 9th. Okay, and then you had 104. The 104 just came from 659. You're just mirroring 659. So 104 plus 314, so 4 plus 4, which is 8, 0 plus 1, which is 1, and then 1 plus 3, which is 4. You're going to take 1 off that second digit, and that gives 408, which was a box hit on August 10th. And then you also do 104 minus 314. 4 minus 4 is 0, 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 11 minus 3 is 8. So 890. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. And then you got 418 from right there. So 418 plus 159, which is 567. You got that from 8 plus 9, which is 17. Keep the 7. 1 plus 5, which is 6. And then 4 plus 1, which is 5. So 567 did not hit in the next 7 days. You also do 418 minus 159. It's going to give you 18 minus 9, which is 9. 11 minus 5, which is 6, and then 4 minus 1, which is 3. So 3 minus 1 from that first digit is 269, and that one hit straight on August 9th. And excuse the lighting too, I normally record these at night, so if the lighting is bothering you, I do apologize for that. Okay, and then 890 came from, it came up from up here. 890 plus 159 is 9 plus 0, so that 1 is incorrect there. So that should be a 9. 9 plus 5, which is 14, keep the 4. And then 8 plus 1 is 9. And if my memory is accurate, then I'm pretty sure there was no number that hit close to 949 that week. But you may want to double check that. And then 890 minus 159 is 10 minus 9, which is 1. 9 minus 5, which is 4. And then 8 minus 1, which is 7. So 741. And to my knowledge, 949 and 741 did not hit in the next 7 days. Okay, so on August 12th, so just so you know, these next examples are just numbers that did hit. I'm not going to show what did not hit after this point in the video. So 826 hit on August 12th. You do plus 314. 6 plus 4 is 10, keep the 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 8 plus 3 is 11. Keep the 1 from the 11. You do plus 1 to that second digit. And then you just take down the 1 0. So 140. And that hit on August 18th. And then you're going to mirror the 826. That's going to give you 371. So 371 plus 314 is 685. 1 plus 4 is 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then 3 plus 3 is 6. And that was a box hit on August 17th. You're also going to do 685 plus 159. So that's going to do 5 plus 9 is 14. Keep the 4. 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the 3, and then 6 plus 1 is 7, and then you're going to take off 1 from that second digit, and that's going to give you 724, which hit on August 14th. Okay, so on August 19th, the number that hit was 169. You do plus 314, so that's 9 plus 4 is 13, keep the 3. 6 plus 1, which is 7, and then 1 plus 3, which is 4. So 473, you're going to take off 3 from that third digit. 3 minus 3 is 0, and then you're going to take down that 47. So 470, that hit on August 22nd. You're going to do 169 minus 314, so 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 11 minus 3 is 8. And then you have no adjustment on that one. That one hit as a box on August 26th. Okay, and then from there you're going to do 855 minus 159, so 15 minus 9 is 6, 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 8 minus 1 is 7. So 706. You're going to add in 1 to the 7 there, and then that's 806. It's a box hit on August 24th. You're going to mirror the 614 from the 169 up there. And then you had 614 plus 314, so that's 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 6 plus 3 is 9. So 928. From there, you're going to do 928 plus 159, so 8 plus 9 is 17. Keep the 7. 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 9 plus 1 is 10. So that's going to give you 077. And then from there, you would do 077 minus 3, so 3 off that third digit. So 7 minus 3 is 4. You're going to bring down the 07, so 074. And that was a box hit on August 22nd. Okay, so on August 26th, you had 558. You're going to add in 314. So 8 plus 4 is 12. You're going to keep the 2. 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 5 plus 3 is 8. You're going to take off 3 from that first digit. 8 minus 3 is 562. And then on August 30th, that was a straight hit. You're going to do 862 minus 159. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 8 minus 1 is 7. So 713. You're going to add in 1, so that's going to give you 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 7, 1, you're going to take down from that, so that's 714. And that was a box hit on September 1st. You're going to mirror the 558 from up here, and then that's going to give you 003 plus 314, so it's going to do, so 3 plus 4 is 7, 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 0 plus 3 is 3, so 317. You're going to add in 1, and that's going to give you 3 plus 1, which is 4, and then take down the 17. So 417 was a box hit on September 1st. And then that's pretty much it for the explanation. I know it was kind of quick, so if you have any questions and you're in Connecticut, let me know. And then in this next section, it's just what I worked out for the next 7 days based on everything we've covered so far. So 368 hit on September 2nd from this past Saturday. Okay, so the 672 is not circled, but it will be included. So 368, and then all the other numbers that are circled will be the numbers, potential numbers, that might hit in the next 7 days. And I'll summarize that too at the very end here. So 368 plus 314 is 672, and you got that from 8 plus 4, which is 12, keep the 2, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 3 plus 3 is 6, so 672. And then you're going to do 672 minus 159, so that's 2 plus 9 is 13, keep the 3. 7 minus 5 is 2, and then 6 minus 1 is 5, so 523. Take off 3 from that first digit, so 5 minus 3 is 2, and then take down the 2, 3, so 223. And then you had 368, which is from that initial number. You're going to do minus 314, and then 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. So 054 minus 159, so 14 minus 9 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 10 minus 1 is 9, so 905. You're also going to do a mirror from that 368. It's going to give you 813 plus 314. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 8 plus 3 is 1. So 127. You're going to take off 1 from that second digit, so 117 there. And then you're also going to do, so you take that 127, you're going to take off 159, so 17 minus 9 is 8, 12 minus 5 is 7, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. And then you're going to take the 0 and 0, 7, 8. It's going to turn into a 10 on that first digit minus 1, so that's going to be a 9. And you're going to take down that 7, 8, so 9, 7, 8. And then you're going to still do the mirror, or not the mirror. You're going to take the original number, 368 plus 314, so that's going to be 8 plus 4 is 12, keep the 2. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 3 plus 3 is 6, so 672. You're going to add 1 to that second digit, so 7 plus 1 is 8, and then take down 62, so 682. You're going to mirror the 368, so that's going to give you 813 plus 314, so 4 plus 3 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 8 plus 3 is 11, so keep the 1. You're going to do 127 plus 159, so 9 plus 7 is 16, keep the 6. 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, so 276 minus 1 off that second digit, so 7 minus 1 is 6, and then take down 26, so 266. So again, original number, 368 plus 314, so 8 plus 4 is 12, so that's 2, keep the 2. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 3 plus 3 is 6, so 672 minus 3 off that third digit. 12 minus 3 is 9, and then take down 67, and then 368 minus 314 is 054, so 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 3 minus 3 is 0, so 054. You're going to take 054 minus 159, so 14 minus 9 is 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 10 minus 1 is 9, so 905. You add 1 onto that third digit, and then 5 plus 1 is 6, and then take down 90, so 906. And then you can also mirror again, so that's going to be 813 plus 314, so that's going to be 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 8 plus 1 is 1, so 127 plus 1, which is 227, and then just as a reminder, 813, that mirror came from that original number, that 368. And then that pretty much wraps everything up. I'm going to give you guys a summary of all the numbers. There is quite a lot. I was surprised about that. So I would not recommend playing all of these. I prefer doubles, but it's up to you on what you prefer and what you want to play. So the summary on that, so the numbers for the potential numbers for the next 7 days is 227, 906, 054, 679, 266, 127, 682, 978, 117, 905, 223, and 672. So that's pretty much it. Again, I'm not going out of order on these numbers or these states. I'm on the C series right now, and then my next one will be Colorado, and that should be posted by Sunday if nothing comes up. And then I'll also be starting the traveling numbers next week, September 13th or 14th, either Wednesday or Thursday. If you have any questions and you live in Connecticut, please ask me in the comments. And again, if you are not in any of the states that I've already covered, or if you're not in Colorado or Connecticut, or disregard Colorado because I have not done that one yet, but if you're not in those states I just mentioned, then it's just going to be a little while before I get to you guys. So that's pretty much it. And then other than that, if you have any questions or comments, just let me know. All right, that's it.